Hi, this focus tutorial is going to recreate the letter M drawn on the right side of the screen in Focus 2D Vector Designer. First of all, there's a rectangle which has been drawn on screen that is 8 large squares by 11 large squares to create the right proportions. Next, I'm going to draw on the left face again a guide rectangle which is 4 large squares by 4 large squares. Copy and paste that. I'm then going to move those into position and those are going to be my guides for drawing. You can see that those are looking like a letter H. And so the next stage is to change the color of those guidelines slightly. So go to line color and I will change those to let's see, sort of a blue color. Okay, so those can just be seen on screen, and then the first face is to draw the M on the left hand face of the rectangle. For that I'm going to use the draw connected lines. I'm going to change my line color back to black, and let's move this slightly more into the center and zoom in slightly. Okay, so drawing using connected lines. So click to start. Notice at the top left it says click no drag again to add more points to the line. So as I click, the line will draw. This creates an enclosed shape. Finish off by a single click at the end. What we now have is an enclosed shape. I can demonstrate that by filling it. So there's our M. Next I will draw the top edges and the right hand edge. Before I do that, I'll remove the fill. Okay, so back to in this case we can draw rectangles, and we choose the drawing face. Initially we'll do the top one. Let's move down slightly. So drawing the top, and click and drag to fill those spaces. Let's move this up on screen. Now it's the right hand face. Okay. That now leaves this face, that face, and a small bit there. Okay, these are slightly more fiddly. We're using the guidelines and I'm set to snap to grid. This helps in this instance. Okay, so draw styles, the right hand edge again, and rectangle, and oh, absolutely not rectangle. So I'm going to come down, that's that face, and finally those are all the faces completed. Now it's a case of rendering. Look at the fill palette and choose the colours which are going to be most appropriate. So I'm going to stick fairly close to the original and start to fill in the colours. Top faces are the lightest. Oops, wrong one. Now it's a case of ensuring that the right face is brought to the front. So in this instance we bring that one to the front, bring that one up, and there is our M completed in Isometric using the Focus 2D designer.